Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Haltman. I'm the CEO of Hallmark Abstract Service, a provider of title insurance in New York for commercial and residential real estate transactions. And speaking of commercial real estate transactions, if you're buying or you're refinancing a commercial property, the financing is you have choices. You can go to your corner bank or the bank that you typically do business with, and you can ask them to analyze your loan scenario and give you terms. And they could be the right lender or they may not be the right lender. The key to a commercial loan, is mortgage loan, if it's a plain vanilla loan, all the aspects are great. There's no issues with anything. Then going to your local bank could be the way to go. But typically, commercial mortgage deals, commercial property deals, they're going to have a little hair on them. Something's not going to be quite right. Uh, it's just inevitable. Whether it's the debt service coverage, whether it's tenants that are their leases are almost up or they're not the highest of quality, something is going to affect an underwriter who is either going to turn down your loan after a 2 month process or give you terms that aren't as attractive as you would like them to be. So that brings you to the option of a commercial mortgage broker. I used to own a commercial mortgage firm. We used to deal with the deals that had the hair on them. Uh, the key is you need somebody as your advocate who knows how to speak to the underwriters. Two people can bring the same deal to a lender, and one gets approved and one doesn't get approved. And why is that? The trust. The lenders, particularly in this day and age, the lenders need to trust that whoever's bringing them the deal knows what they're doing. And beyond that, the deal, a lot of people look at the headline mortgage rate. Oh, this is a great deal. Look at that mortgage rate. But the reality is that there are terms buried inside of that loan commitment that you as the borrower need to really know about. Are they asking for a personal guarantee? How onerous are the prepayment penalties? Do you need to bring compensating balances over to the bank in order to even get that loan? Uh, the covenants and restrictions within those loan terms need to be analyzed, need to be looked at by an expert, and then that expert needs to be able to negotiate those terms. Can they negotiate out the personal guarantee? Can they make the prepayment penalties so that it is less onerous? But all of those factors need to be considered and added to the headline mortgage rate. So there's a lot to a commercial mortgage loan. From my experience, I could speak to you, or I could refer you to a qualified expert in the area. But in any event, if you go to the description below, there are two articles you can read that go into a little bit more detail. Again, my contact information will be down there. And if anyone has any questions, I would love to answer them. And finally, just remember, at Hallmark Abstract Service, you buy real estate and we protect it.